Boys under the Christmas tree.
Mommy.
Come on, let's go check them out.
Mommy.
Hi, babe.
This is a boys.
What do you see, bud?
Boys. Boys. Oh,
Look at that stuff under the Christmas tree.
Santa came.
Did you get a bike?
Did you get a bike?
So we push you around? Want to open up the other gifts? Yeah, let's look at the other one.
Look at all the toys.
Look at all the other stuff. You want to open up something else?
Make sure it's for him. What's in there, buddy? What is it?
First gift. Who's that?
Who is that guy?
Woody.
Pull his string.
Let's see, pull this string. Who's that? Buzz Lightyear.
Turn around, let mommy see.
Show mommy. Show mommy.